Welcome to the San Diego release broadcast for telecommunications. My name is Courtney Deinert, and I am the Director of Product Marketing for Telco, Media, and Technology here at ServiceNow. And today I am thrilled to be here to share all the exciting innovations coming out of our telecommunications product in the San Diego release. But before we dive into the products, let's unpack a little bit about the why behind this release. So when speaking to our telecommunications customers, it's clear there are two key challenges that have emerged when it comes to order management and service management. First, efficiency. Service orders are growing in complexity, and CSPs need a more streamlined approach to orchestrating complex service orders. Second, interoperability. Time to market matters, and CSPs need more out-of-the-box integrations and streamlined processes for getting new products and services up and running. So with that background, let's get on with the show and let's introduce what's new in San Diego for telecommunications. This release is all about driving better efficiency and improving flexibility across order management and service management, resulting in improved customer satisfaction and a more profitable way to deliver and ensure services. Let's start by looking at what's new with order management for telecommunications. First, we are so excited to be delivering an enhanced order capture user interface. This UI not only looks better, but it gives agents new ways to capture complex orders from a single screen. When an enterprise customer has multiple site orders, an order fulfillment manager needs a simple way to capture order details quickly and accurately for each site and each product. In San Diego, our enhanced order capture builds on the existing UI foundation while offering new, powerful productivity capabilities designed to capture complex orders effortlessly from a single screen. Eliminate manual repetitive tasks, cancel an order before it gets submitted, and enhance productivity by providing support for order quantity, approval, and mandatory characteristics. Sounds great. And by now you might be wondering to yourself, okay, but how do I decompose that complex service order that I've just captured? Great question. This leads us to our second innovation, staggered order decomposition. So this enables order fulfillment managers to unpack those complex service orders that you just captured and deliver the right services in the right sequence. As enterprise product and service offerings grow in complexity, how a service gets delivered relies on an agent knowing how to break down the order and deliver exactly what the customer needs and in the right steps. This requires having a view into both internal and external data, since complex services often rely on a variety of vendors to make up that service. In San Diego, order fulfillment managers can now automate a complex orders fulfillment journey using staggered decomposition workflows powered by both internal and external data. Manual tasks are reduced thanks to predefined order milestones based on either tasks or characteristics. Now, up until this point, you can see how you capture complex service orders, and you can see how you stagger those orders for decomposition. Great. But what happens if a complex service order is needed for multiple locations? Simple. Quantity-based order decomposition, of course, in the San Diego release, and this breaks down a single quantity-based order into multiple unique line items. So an enterprise can have dozens, if not hundreds of locations, which means their order management system will need to support quantity-based orders that contain multiple line items. And without automation, order fulfillment managers must manually decompose complex quantity-based orders, repeating those same tasks over and over to fulfill each order line item. In San Diego, they can now automate quantity-based order decomposition workflows, which eliminates repetitive tasks for orders that contain 2 or more products, regardless of configuration. It also automates tasks for breaking down a single order line item into multiple order domains. The net result is an improved order accuracy for customers and elimination of manual repetitive tasks for agents. So let's hit pause there, because I think this is a great time to actually show you how all of these innovations come together and how an order fulfillment manager might use these innovations that I just described to streamline their order management process for a complex service order. And to do this, I would like to introduce my friend and colleague, DJ Patel. Hello, DJ.
Thanks, Courtney, for sharing this exciting order management for telecommunications enhancements. Now let us dive into a demo. Julie Lewis is a network administrator for Boxio, an enterprise company, and she needs to order multiple new SD-WAN services for a few locations. So Julie calls Mike, an order fulfillment manager with the telecommunications service provider, about what she needs, and thanks to the order management for telecommunications, Mike is ready to help. Mike can see Julie's information and starts to capture the order details, entering them as they speak. It is a product order, and Mike navigates through the order intake workflow while collecting necessary information from Julie. Julie would like to order products for multiple sites. Mike collects details for each location from Julie. Order management for telecommunications enables communication service providers to capture order details quickly and accurately for each site and product. Depending on the order intake configuration of each product, the order intake process cannot move forward without missing information. Mike collects information from Julie and moves forward with the order intake process. He reviews the order and submits the multi-site order. At this stage, the order creation process completes. Mike reviews the submitted order on the order management dashboard and initiates the order fulfillment process. As part of the first step of the process, he approves the order. From here, the order decomposition starts. The decomposition workflows divide the order into multiple line items and tell Mike which steps need to be completed to deliver the SD-WAN services. As part of the order review process, he drills into the SD-WAN edge device order line item. Gathering more information about the order line item, he identifies that the product order for the SD-WAN edge device order line item has not generated service orders. Probably some information is missing. Mike identifies that the CPE ID, routing, and WAN optimization order characteristic values are missing for the order line item. With the correct information in hand, Mike enters the missing data. As soon as Mike provides the missing information, the staggered decomposition process resumes. Mike can now see the follow-on service orders have automatically been created in the service orders tab. The order is on its way, and Julie gets notified that the SD-WAN services are ordered for all locations and installations are scheduled. By leveraging order management for telecommunications, we saw how quickly a complicated telecommunications order was filled and how effortless it was for Mike to capture, decompose, and orchestrate Julie's multi-quantity, multi-site order using just a few inputs and a whole lot of automation. Back to you, Courtney.
That was awesome. Thank you, DJ, for talking us through and showing us how CSPs can further streamline their order management processes by capturing and decomposing complex service orders. I love it. So to round off our latest innovations in order management for telecom, let's touch on a topic that ServiceNow is very passionate about supporting, which is industry standards. Enterprise customers are looking for a consumer-like experience across the ordering process, especially when it comes to supporting in-flight orders. So in San Diego, we are excited to be extending the out-of-box functionality of the TM Forum Product Order Open API, otherwise known as TMF 622, supporting 3 new in-flight order scenarios. So now agents can support in-flight order updates, They can limit updates to only impact specific order line items, and they can cancel in-flight orders. This not only improves flexibility, but also minimizes integration efforts. Order management for telecom isn't the only product around here that is getting some new innovation in San Diego. Let's have a look at our telecommunications service management product. In San Diego, we are adding new industry standards APIs for TSM that improve interoperability and accelerate time to market of new products and services. We're also introducing an easier application publishing process, which is going to allow application developers to make updates directly to a customer's ServiceNow instance without having to go through the technology partner program certification process every time. But first, let's have a look at the new TM Forum Open API integrations we've added. We are making it easier for CSPs to manage the order lifecycle with 3 new TM Forum Open API integrations. First, CSPs can now rapidly add products and related technical requirements to the ServiceNow product catalog using the Product Catalog Open API or TMF 620. Second, they can better manage the entire life cycle of service catalog elements with the Service Catalog Open API or TMF 633. And finally, CSPs can create a cleaner view of what the customer has ordered with the Product Inventory Open API or TMF 637. Collectively, these industry standards integrations help CSPs increase their flexibility while accelerating time to market of new products and services. Now for our final innovation coming in telecommunications service management. I think we've saved the best for last, and if you're an application developer, you'll want to listen up. So in San Diego, application developers can now directly publish new applications to an enterprise customer's ServiceNow instance using the Service Bridge application. So what does that mean? So previously, an application developer had to go through the ServiceNow store and the technology partner program certification process every time a new or updated application needed to be created and published using the Service Bridge application, which was formerly known as e-bonding. So this process could take several weeks and always included additional costs to certify every new and updated application. So in San Diego, that all goes away. An application developer can now use the Service Bridge application to publish directly to an enterprise customer's instance, either automatically or by using predefined acceptance rules, bypassing the need altogether to go through the ServiceNow store and technology partner program certification process. This dramatically improves time to value for new and updated applications and gets applications in the hands of customer faster and in a more cost-effective way. Okay, talk about some exciting new innovations coming out for our telecommunications product lines. Let's quickly recap. So in order management for telecommunications, the San Diego release delivers better agent productivity and flexibility with zero-touch, complex orchestration workflows and a more sophisticated user interface. In telecommunications service management, we've improved interoperability across systems, tools, and processes with adding new standardized integrations and by streamlining the application publishing process for Service Bridge. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining DJ and I today, and we hope you are just as excited about the new innovations coming out of our telecommunications product line around order management and service management. Thank you, and until next time.